What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Janine. In today's video we are doing a VSG meal prep and a VSG what I eat in a day. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you haven't, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoy it. So we are starting this VSG meal prep and VSG what I eat in a day with my spinach and feta quiche. So here I am just sauteing up some spinach. I'm going to link the full recipe for you guys down below, so don't worry about it. I love to make this because it is so easy to make and you can have this for up to 4 days. I just store it in airtight containers and I have breakfast for the week and I don't have to worry about cooking breakfast. I just take it out of the container and microwave it in a paper towel. And this spinach and feta quiche is amazing for a VSG meal prep because it is super high in protein. You're getting protein from the eggs, you're getting protein from all of the cheese, so this is an ideal breakfast. And be sure to tag me over on Instagram if you make this spinach and feta quiche, and be sure to let me know how you like it. Also, drop me a comment down below and let me know what is your favorite breakfast to meal prep for the week.
Dress to impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just wanna party, call me tequila shawty. We just wanna party, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. When my friends pull around and they got the top down, on our way, yeah. We're on our way. Turn that music up, you know we don't give a what. On our way, yeah. We're on our way.
So here I'm just having some baby carrots for a snack, and I'm using it with my light ranch dressing as a dip. I love to have this dip because it is only 70 calories for 30 grams, and I do weigh it out with my food scale. So for snacks, I really like to keep it super healthy. So I like to have a variety of fresh fruits and veggies on hand as snacks. And if I'm not having that, I will try to do something like a protein bar, or I'll try to have pretzels if I'm in the mood for chips. If not, I will have like baked chips, but these are some of the snack options that I like to have throughout the day.
turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. Hands to the sky if you feelin' a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Put your hands to the sky if you catchin' a vibe. We ain't gonna stop.
Okay guys, so I'm getting ready to make dinner and I'm going to be making a homemade chicken pot pie. So all you're going to need for tonight's recipe is just going to be some of this Bisquick mix. You're going to need 1 cup, a can of cream of chicken, half a cup of milk, 1 egg, a bag of mixed vegetables, and you're also going to need some chicken breast. So to get started, I'm just going to grill up this chicken breast and I am just letting the mixed vegetables thaw out.
2 a.m. in the morning, I'm in my story smoking, catching my breath. I can feel my skin burning. You light the fire in me, got no regrets. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes, oh, you got me looped about it. You and me, you got me losing sleep. I'm in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote.
And I just wanted to mention, because I know I have a lot of followers who are new on their journey, so I know you guys have a lot of questions about the carbs. It is going to be coming up 3 years since I've had surgery, so I do incorporate carbs into my meal plan. But if you don't incorporate carbs into your meal plan, you can just totally skip the Bisquick and kind of make it like a crustless chicken pot pie. Or I know that they have a lower carb one that you may be able to find on Amazon. So you can just customize it to whatever your diet is. But like I said, since I am 3 years out, I do incorporate carbs in my meals.
You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
And I'm just finishing the day off with a little something sweet. Here I'm making some no sugar added hot chocolate. I'm just bringing some water and a little bit of heavy whipping cream to a boil. And I'm just going to add a packet of no sugar added hot chocolate to the mix. And to top it all off, I'm just going to put a little bit of marshmallows. So just a little something sweet to end the day. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and please give it a like if you enjoyed it. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like it. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video.